Okay guys, this is from Shopee. This is the ice maker. We are unboxing it. Hopefully it's not damaged. Okay. Yeah. We got it for $6,664.
$150.
Yeah. So this is the inside. Put away the knife. Okay. Be careful, Myanmar. There you go. You gotta. This tie is cute. This is the cord and this is the manual. You gotta take him up from the bottom. There you go. Oh, it's super cute. It's what do you name of this thing? This is what it looks like. Super cute.
Oh, it's very nice.
Yeah. This is where you put the water. It's like how many not gallon, liters?
1.5 liter.
Yeah, you put it from here. Wow, super cute. I'll take him out later.
You put a 1.5 liter bottle right there.
Nice. This is the scooper, ice scooper. There you go. Nice. It's 220 to 240 volts. It's 9.5 kilogram, the weight.
Very nice. It's protected well.
Mm-hmm. It looks like this is packed good.
Yeah,
Burger.
five years. And it's protected well with all kinds of protection plastic. Yeah, I'm gonna let you take that out because you're better than me.
Okay.
Just stop it and continually.